Why current in inductor lags 90-degree phase shift from voltage? So first of all, we have to understand behavior of current in inductor. This is the ideal inductor connected in circuit. So first of all, I give plus 9 volt supply to the circuit where inductor connected. Before I give 9 volt supply. After that, current slowly goes up at their peak value. After I stop the voltage, current not goes to suddenly their lower value. Current remain constant as before. Then I give minus 9 volt. Then current goes slightly down. When I continuously giving minus 9 volt, current goes down to their lower peak value. After that, I give plus 9 voltage, current again goes up slightly towards their positive peak value. This is the behavior of current in inductor. Here look again, when I give plus voltage, current goes up. When I stop the voltage, current not go down. Current remain constant as before. When I give minus 9 volt, then current goes down. Either it remain constant when voltage is 0 for some time. This happens because of inductors contains their energy. This is the sinusoidal diagram of relation between current and voltage. Look here, current and voltage started, but after their distance increasing, and you can look here and here, when the voltage is at their 0 position, current is there on peak value, peak level. When the voltage goes down to the negative, current start going down. When the voltage is their lower peak value, negative, then the current at their 0 position, and the voltage again goes up to their positive value. Here look at here, this is the again 0 position of the voltage at their look same. Here the current at their lower peak value. Here is the positive peak value and here is the negative peak value. When the voltage is 0, here also voltage is 0, where again voltage goes up, current also going up. That's why happen, because of the current behavior in inductor happens. At the back we understand what is the behavior of current in inductor. This is the reason why current lags in inductor. Thank you.